In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a Polymarket account, which is this new trending platform where you can bet or invest on basically everything you can imagine. For example, sports, politics, crypto, Epstein, Trump, and a lot more stuff. So firstly, you will need to go to the link in the description below, because if you create your account through that referral link, you will get bonus and special offers on your first deposit of at least $20. So after that, go to sign up and click this button, and now you can continue with Google. You can also continue with your email address, Phantom Wallet, MetaMask, Coinbase, and I think this is Trust Wallet. So use the option you want. In my case, I'm going to use my Google account. And after you select your Google account, it will automatically create your account. You don't need to do anything else. You don't need to do any verification or anything. And now you can just deposit money right here. You can deposit through crypto, credit card, bank transfer. You can also connect your exchange like Binance or Kraken and more. And you can also deposit using PayPal. So after you deposit, you can just go right here and start betting on anything you want. So that's it. That's how you can create your Polymarket account to start betting. I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.